Hello, and welcome to another session of Full Bean Tutorials. In this session, I'm going to show how I go about saving notes on certain settings that I chose in Photoshop Elements 15. So here is an image that I've been working on, and um, I wanted to be able to remember some of the settings. Um, I wanted them to be saved with the image so I didn't have to look for them elsewhere. So if I go to my photo bin and then I right click on it, then click on File Info, you'll see that under Basic, I can fill in the document name, which is whatever you say it is. The author, once again, you put that information in. The author title, it's up to you to what you put in there. And then a description. And here I put in some settings that I wanted to make sure that I could remember. Um, the width of the pencil line is 4 pixels, and the font is Myriad Pro Regular 10 point. You could put any information that you wanted to carry forward with the document. It's sort of like a comment in an HTML page. I hope you found this to be helpful.